Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and I will teach you general knowledge. And today's topic is lesson number 3, Old to New. Okay. Okay, what did we learn in the previous lecture? Yes, we learn about our lesson number 2, the first. Okay, and I give you to write lesson number 2 in your homework. Okay, and many students sent me their homework. Excellent work, kids. Now we will first solve our lesson number 2. Okay, if you have any doubts, then it will be clear. Okay. The first Chinese pilgrim to visit India, Fa Hien. Second one is the first Indian scientist to receive the Bharat Ratna. Answer is Dr. C.V. Raman. Third one is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Answer is Junko Tabei. Fourth one is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Answer is Bachendri Pal. Fifth one is the first person to win 8 Olympic gold medals. Answer is Michael Phelps. Next, the first man to go into space. Answer is Yuri Gagarin. Now, next, the first Indian to go into space. Answer is Rakesh Sharma. Next, the first man to set foot on moon. Answer is Neil Armstrong. Next, the first man to reach the North Pole. Answer is Robert Peary. Next, the first man to reach the South Pole. Answer is Roald Amundsen. Next, the first woman Prime Minister of a country. Answer is Sirimao Bandaranaike. Next and last, the first woman officer in the Indian Police Service. Answer is Kiran Bedi. Okay. Now we will start our lesson number 3. Name is Old to New. Okay. This lesson is about the old name and new name of our Indian city or states. Okay. Now, this is our lesson, old to new. Tell me, what is the old name of India? What is the old name of India? According to the Bhagavad Puran, before India was called Bharatvarsh, it was known as Nabhi-Varsh. Tenazu is the historical East Asian name for India that comes from the Chinese translators of the Persian Hindus, which itself is derived from the Sanskrit Sindhu, the native name of the Indus river. Okay, now see names of India. First, India. Second, Hind or Hindustan. Third, Aryavart. Fourth, Bharata. Fifth, Jambudvip. Sixth, Nabhivarsh. Seventh, Tenazu. And last, Bharat. Okay. These all are names of Bharat. Now, start our lesson. Old to new. City names of India. Okay, now start. Bangalore becomes Bengaluru. Bangalore becomes Bengaluru. Baroda becomes Vadodara. Baroda becomes Vadodara. Mangalore becomes Mangaluru. Mangalore becomes Mangaluru. Bombay becomes Mumbai. Bombay becomes Mumbai. Calcutta becomes Kolkata. Calcutta becomes Kolkata. Mysore becomes Mysuru. Mysore becomes Mysuru. Kanpur becomes Kanpur. Kanpur becomes Kanpur. Quilon becomes Kollam. Quilon becomes Kollam. Saket becomes Ayodhya. Saket becomes Ayodhya. Tanjore becomes Tanjore. Tanjore becomes Tanjore. Lucknow becomes Lucknow. Lucknow becomes Lucknow. Jaipur becomes Jaipur. Jaipur becomes Jaipur. Orissa becomes Odisha. Orissa becomes Odisha. Bhagyanagar becomes Hyderabad. Bhagyanagar becomes Hyderabad. Cape Cormin becomes Kanyakumari. Cape Cormin becomes Kanyakumari. Cochin becomes Kochi. Cochin becomes Kochi. Madras becomes Chennai. Madras becomes Chennai. Patliputra becomes Patna. Patliputra becomes Patna. Pune becomes Pune. Pune becomes Pune. Simla becomes Shimla. Simla becomes Shimla. Thiruvananthapuram becomes Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram becomes Thiruvananthapuram. Cherrapunji becomes Sohra. Cherrapunji becomes Sohra. Uttaranchal becomes Uttarakhand. Uttaranchal becomes Uttarakhand. Pondicherry becomes Puducherry. Pondicherry becomes Puducherry. Benares becomes Varanasi. Benares becomes Varanasi. Gulbarg becomes Kalaburgi. Gulbarg becomes Kalaburgi. Gurgaon becomes Gurugram. Gurgaon becomes Gurugram. Kakinada becomes Kakinada. Kakinada becomes Kakinada. Karnavati becomes Ahmedabad. Karnavati becomes Ahmedabad. Indore becomes Indore. Indore becomes Indore. Ajaymeru becomes Ajmer. Ajaymeru becomes Ajmer. Central Province becomes Madhya Pradesh. Central Province becomes Madhya Pradesh. United Province becomes Uttar Pradesh. United Province becomes Uttar Pradesh. Avantika becomes Ujjain. Avantika becomes Ujjain. Bulsar becomes Valsad. Bulsar becomes Valsad. Now I'll repeat all. Okay, old to new name of India, Indian city or states. Okay, start. Old name Bengaluru and new name Bengaluru. Bangalore becomes Bengaluru. Old name Baroda and new name Vadodara. Baroda becomes Vadodara. Old name is Mangalore and new name is Mangaluru. Mangalore becomes Mangaluru. Old name is Bombay and new name is Mumbai. So, Bombay becomes Mumbai. Old name is Calcutta and new name is Kolkata. So, Calcutta becomes Kolkata. Old name is Mysore and new name is Mysuru. So, Mysore becomes Mysuru. Old name is Kanpur and new name is Kanpur. So, Kanpur becomes Kanpur. Old name is Quilon and new name is Kollam. So, Quilon becomes Kolam. Old name is Saket and new name is Ayodhya. So Saket becomes Ayodhya. Old name is Tanjore and new name is Tanjore. So Tanjore becomes Tanjore. Old name is Lucknow and new name is Lucknow. So Lucknow becomes Lucknow. Old name is Jaipur and new name is Jaipur. So Jaipur becomes Jaipur. Old name is Orissa and new name is Odisha. So Orissa becomes Odisha. Old name is Bhagyanagar and new name is Hyderabad. So Bhagyanagar becomes Hyderabad. Old name is Cap Cormin and new name is Kanyakumari. So Cap Comorin becomes Kanyakumari. Old name is Cochin and new name is Kochi. So Cochin becomes Kochi. Old name is Madras and new name is Chennai. So Madras becomes Chennai. Old name is Patliputra and new name is Patina. So Patliputra becomes Patina. Old name is Pune and new name is Pune. So Pune becomes Pune. Old name is Prayag and new name is Allahabad. So Prayag becomes Allahabad. Old name is Simla and new name is Shimla. So Simla becomes Shimla. Old name is Tiruvanduram and new name is Tiruvannathpuram. So Tiruvanduram becomes Tiruvannathpuram. Old name is Cherrapunji and new name is Sohra. So Cherrapunji becomes Sohra. Old name is Uttaranchal and new name is Uttarakhand. So Uttaranchal becomes Uttarakhand. Old name is Pondicherry and new name is Puducherry. So Pondicherry becomes Puducherry. Old name is Banaras and new name is Varanasi. So, Banaras becomes Varanasi. Old name is Gulbarga and new name is Kalaburgi. So, Gulbarg becomes Kalaburgi. Old name is Gurgaon and new name is Gurugram. So, Gurgaon becomes Gurugram. Old name is Kokanada and new name is Kakinada. So, Kokanada becomes Kakinada. Old name is Karnavati and new name is Ahmedabad. So, Karnavati becomes Ahmedabad. Old name is Indur and new name is Indore. So, Indore becomes Indore. Old name is Ajay Meru and new name is Ajmer. So, Ajay Meru becomes Ajmer. Old name is Central Province and new name is Madhya Pradesh. So, Central Province becomes Madhya Pradesh. Old name is United Province and new name is Uttar Pradesh. So, United Province becomes Uttar Pradesh. Old name is Avantika and new name is Ujjain. So, Avantika becomes Ujjain. Old name is Bulsar and new name is Valsad. So, Bulsar becomes Valsad. Now, see, now we will learn Indian city and their nicknames. Okay. Jaisalmer, Golden City. Surat, Diamond City of India. Hyderabad, City of Pearls. Jaipur, Pink City. Mumbai, Gateway of India. Pune, Queen of Deccan. Udaipur, City of Lakes. Alappuzha, the Venice of the East. Jodhpur, Blue City. Madurai, City of Festivals. Asanol, Land of Black Diamond. Kochi, Queen of the Arabian Sea. Nagpur, Orange City. Visakhapatnam, City of Destiny. Dehradun, School Capital of India. Zuneoboto, Land of Warriors. Dibrugarh, Tea City of India. Thiruvananthapuram, Evergreen City of India. Kottayam, City of Letters. Mangalore, Rome of the East. Mussoorie, Queen of the Mountains. Puducherry, Paris of the East. Ceylon, Scotland of the East. Rishikesh, City of Sages. Shivakashi, Little Japan. Tezpur, City of Blood. Kanpur, Leather City of the World. Amritsar, Golden City. Bhubaneswar, Temple City of India. Agra, City of Taj. Guwahati, Gateway of Northeast India. Darjeeling, Queen of the Hills. Lucknow, City of Nawabs. Varanasi, Spiritual Capital of India. Kolkata, City of Joy. Chennai, Detroit of Asia. Chandigarh, the city beautiful. Bengaluru, Silicon Valley of India. Coorg, Scotland of India. New Delhi, City of Release. Jamshedpur, Still City of India. Ahmedabad, Manchester of India. Okay, so what we learned today? We learned old to new name of Indian cities and their nicknames. Okay. So, now see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I will send you homework in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Bye bye.